if you can cut tile dry with no dust, and you don't have to worry about water, especially in cold environments or in cold climates like where I am. I'm in the Boston area. So in the winter, you have the freezing water problem. So if you can cut inside and have it convenient for you to have the saw close to where you work and not create any dust, then that's a great thing. So IQ is always innovating, and they have created a new blade which cuts super clean. And I am one of 7 people in the country that they sent it to try out. So let me show you this blade. So this is the new blade. It's not available yet, but it is a very clean cutting blade. So let's try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so I have a variety of tiles here. This is a 32 by 16 inch porcelain tile. I have some thin panel tiles. I have some plank tile, and even an old ceramic tile. So let's see how they do. So let's get the old blade off. Here. This is the new blade. So let's get this on. Nice and tight. Now. That's that hard porcelain tile. That's the factory edge. Right there. The factory edge. And that is the cut edge. Very clean. A ceramic tile. That cut edge, clean as could be. Let's do the plank tile. Is the plank tile. Okay, so these, let me put this down. These are all the cuts I did on that saw. There's a few more over here, but they're all the same thing. So this is that travertine porcelain, not the travertine, this is that porcelain tile, very hard tile. That's a really nice cut. That is the plank tile. This part is undressed. This part is dressed. So that came out really nice. This is that thin panel tile. See how much thinner it is. Very difficult tile to cut on a wet saw. That's the dress side. That's the undressed side. So really nice. Then we got, so these are those ceramic tiles. That's the dressed side. That's the undressed side. Just how it came out of the saw. This is the factory edge. This is the side undressed. That's how it came out of the saw. So this new blade is excellent. If anyone has any doubts, this is the blade to get. Like I said, they sent me a blade. There's only 7 people in the country that got it to try. I'm one of those people. When this blade comes out, this is what you want to get if you have any doubts. I have been using this saw and my other little IQ saw for years now, and I have had no problems with them. Any cut you make on a saw, whether it be a tile cutter, a snap cutter, a wet saw, or a dry saw, you're gonna have to dress the cut. It's just part of what you do. So this blade is excellent, and you have the added benefit: no dust, no water, no freezing problem. Cut right where you have the job, right next to where you are installing the tile. You don't have to run up and down stairs. You don't have to worry about anything other than cutting your tile. So that's a 10-inch blade for the IQ TS244.